Okay, so I've got my cream cheese that is softened to room temperature, my heavy cream, my powdered sugar, and my vanilla in my jug here, and I'm just going to start whipping this up. All right, I have my heavy cream, my powdered sugar, and my vanilla in here. I'm going to start beating this up before I put the stabilizer in there. This is almost to the soft peak stage, so I'm going to say it's safe to go ahead and add our pudding. So I'm just going to go ahead and sprinkle that in. And then we're going to continue to beat this to stiff peaks. All right, now we're going to build our lemon supreme pie, no bake version. So we're going to put our cream cheese filling in the bottom, smooth this in here. And now we're going to put some lemon pie filling right on top. And now we're going to go ahead and we're going to pipe some pretty rosettes on the top. There we go. Our beautiful lemon supreme, no bake pie is done and ready to go. Just pop this in your fridge for a couple of hours before you slice into it. It's gonna be perfect, it's gonna be delicious, and I know you're gonna love it.